Do you think our country is developing by successing Chandrayaan 3? G20 summit. AI is developing, AI is evolving, literacy rate is increasing, etc. things. But have you ever thought that who stops the development of the nation? No, you just know only one thing: the improvement, the progress of the nation. You don't know, you don't want to see that who is stopping the development. To develop the country, to improvement of the country, to do something for the country, for the nation, for leading in the nation, you have to know its consequences too. That who stops the guys. Do you want to see? Do you want to know that who stops the development of the nation of the country? So be with me and see. The first thing who stops the development is the languages. Yes guys, in your locality maybe you have seen that people who lives in different region and they have their different languages. Guys, in the India, if you will go to the southern side and northern side, you will see the different languages. Just suppose if you will go to the Karnataka side, you will see different languages. If you will go in the Assam, so you will see the different languages. And rather in Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, you will see, even in Bihar, you will see different languages. So that is the thing that stops the innovation, that stops the improvement, because it is a diverse country. But without these, that stops the development, it stops the process, it stops the improvement. Let me tell you why. Why? Because of this, it has simple reason, because it slows the communication gap. If I will talk to the Marathi individuals, so how I will talk? If I talk to the Karnataka people that who live in the Karnataka, so how I can make a conversation with the people that who speak in the Karnataka language. So how I can make with conversation with them? No, that slows the information, that slows the communication between the two languages. And that's the thing, that's why our country is not that much improving. Second reason is religion in India. In a society that even in India, here diverse kind of religions are here: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Yes guys, do you maybe you're thinking that what kind of consequences will it happen? Yes guys, because of this, our development is stopping somewhere, because most of the people, the name of the religion, they fight, and that decrease the economic, that decrease the development of the India for somewhere. Like the money that can be used for the hospitals, for the development, where it is used in terms of fight, that breaks the peace. Yes guys, peace is too important to be motivated, to be do something more good, for doing something for the development of the nation, to be disciplined. But it is breaking that, and often it is used for the power. Like, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I have more privilege, I can do this, I can do that. Why? We are humans. The God gave us the birth for being equal. We have seen in the one quote in the Hindi: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, sare hai bhai bhai. Like that, we have read. Why is the importance of this? Why when we are not feel equality? Everyone is equal. We have to make our country too powerful in the world, and make our country on the top, to lead in the different countries, to make our country to more powerful. That the second slide says that is wealth gap. Yes guys, we have already noticed that the rich are flying and the poor people grow slowly. Why? Because of the wealth gap. You have already observed that rich people are having the billions of money, and the poor people are having normal money, and they are living in slum areas, where the poor people are living in slum areas and the rich people are living luxurious houses. Why? That's the wealth gap that stops the innovation, that slows the development. What about the dreams of the poor people that dies in the poverty? They want to become IAS officer, engineer, doctor. How can they? With the help of money. But when they don't have, when they don't come to afford these, by that's one of the things that stops the development in our country. In our country, 1.5 crore people population in India. How most of the people are poor, how they can live, and that stops the innovation and the development, because they don't have that much privileges like the rich people. And also 1% control wealth is here in the India. That's why rich people are becoming rich and poor people are becoming the poor. Yes guys, why? This is the reason that's why they are becoming that, because the poor don't have that much privileges, and they don't know, most of people are illiterate. That's why the development is stopping that point. So that's the third slide says to us. At the end, we are the future of the nation. We are the youth. Now we have to develop our country in a positive way, with a positive action. So now we have to take the action, because now we are the future of the country, India. So to become our country more developed, to make our country more powerful, now we have to take action being a youth. So thank you.